In this video, I'm going to show you how to deposit money in Weex. Now, the first thing you have to do here, of course, you want to sign up for your account. And whenever you do that here on your dashboard, you can click on the deposit button up top. And then here, of course, you can do whatever you want. But if you have a crypto, and let's say you want to deposit some crypto, or of course, some money, so you could do USDT or whatever you want to use, you can click on on-chain deposit, or you could just quickly buy crypto, or you could also do some P2P trading to actually be able to get yourself some crypto. Okay, so here I'm just going to click on on-chain deposit because I do think most of you are going to be using this one. So I'm going to click that, and then it's going to take me to this deposit tab here where you first have to select your crypto. So I'm going to be sending some crypto over from my Phantom wallet. As you can see, I have like $5.7 on here, and of course you can do this on any wallet, so you could use like whatever wallet you use, like Binance, maybe even Coinbase, Phantom, Trust Wallet, MetaMask, whatever you want. So just make sure you do have some money on there. You can send over to Weex. Then go here, select your crypto. For this, as I said, I'm going to do some USDT because I have roughly 5 USDT, as you can see here. I'm going to select USDT, and then the network. So for me, it is on the Solana network. Make sure you do know which network it's on. Okay, so Phantom here is my Solana wallet, so I have it on Solana. I'm going to click on here, and I'm going to look for Solana. There we go, there it is. And then here you're going to see your deposit details, and then all you have to do to deposit is copy your deposit address here, and then go to any of your wallets where you have some funds, and then just click on the send button, and then select USDT or whatever you selected up here, and then basically as the recipient Solana address, just put in this address over here, and then of course you'll be able to select how much you want to send, press next, and after that click on send, and in just a few seconds you should see your funds be available here on your Weex account. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.